These days, AI-generated videos are blowing up on social media, pulling in millions of views. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how you can make your own AI videos in less than 30 seconds. Firstly, head to the link in the description. That'll take you to Envato Elements. Once you're on the site, go over to the Gen A section. You'll notice several tools there, but the one we'll use today is VideoGen. With it, you can generate videos instantly just by typing in what you want. For example, I already have a small script prepared. You can either write one yourself or use ChatGPT to help. If you want more accurate and detailed results, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a JSON script. This format works really well for AI video creation because it provides clear prompts and structured detailing. Before hitting generate, there are a few settings that really improve the outcome. Use the AI Script Enhance feature to polish your script. If your video involves dialogue or narration, switch on the voice option. Always check the first frame preview. That way, you'll know exactly how your scene will look, and if it's not right, you can keep regenerating until it fits. Once you're satisfied, click on Set This as a first frame and then click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your AI video is ready.
Excuse me, sir, can I ask you a quick question?
No.
Sure, but make it quick. I'm late for my banana appointment.
The tool is crazy fast, and the more details you put into your prompt, the better your results will be. If you're stuck, ChatGPT is perfect for coming up with creative prompts. Here are a few tips that can add depth and detail to your AI videos. These key points help you define exactly what you want in your video. They include the scene, subject, action, camera movement, style, audio, sound effects, and voiceover. By following these steps, you can create amazing AI videos tailored to your needs. Let's test another style and prompt to see what Envato AI comes up with this time. And remember, Envato Elements isn't only about AI tools. With one subscription, you get unlimited access to millions of creative resources, stock footage, templates, sound effects, music, graphics, and more. Basically, everything you need to make your edits look professional. If you sign up using the link below, you'll also unlock unlimited credits for AI tools, but this deal is only valid till October. So don't miss out this deal. That's it for this tutorial, and I'll catch you in the next video.